Welcome to Boulder Public Library District 360 Photo Tour. This is a platform that takes you to each of our libraries. The goal of this platform is to help you get familiar with our spaces, learn where to find help, and understand the different areas in our libraries. This tutorial will help you learn how to navigate the platform. At times, you may feel lost, so we invite you to watch this tutorial. We will show you how to make the most of this tool and explore our libraries with confidence. You will also find accessibility notes and links that let you take action on a specific interests, such as how to reserve a room. Ready? Let's get started. When you click on the library link, it will take you directly to the main entrance. We have one link for each library. Right now, we're going to explore main library. So we clicked on the link and it takes you to the main entrance of the main library. It would take you directly to the main entrance, as I mentioned. You have two options. You can turn on automatic navigation, which will move you slowly around the space without using the mouse. To do this, click the play icon located at the bottom right of the screen, right here. We click on it and we let it go. You don't have to do anything. It will just suddenly stop and take you to the next step. There you go. See? So it lets you give you some time just to explore what it's around, and then it moves to the next space. If you prefer to have full control and explore at your own pace, you just click on, and now you have control. This option also lets you click on information and accessibility icons. You will find information in English and in Spanish. For example, in here, a book drop. We have information on how to do it in English, but also you can find it in Spanish. Now, to navigate and walk through the library, you should see an arrow that will guide you all the time. Sometimes that arrow disappears. Just keep turning until you find it again. To turn, you just have to click on the mouse pad and then hold it, and you just move to the right, to the left, and you can just go all around. Okay. We see the arrow, or you want to keep exploring information, you can do whatever you want to explore, just click. Let's click again in our arrow, so it'll just take us inside the library. You can move forward and go back as many times as you want. If you want to explore this entrance using the play button, you just click on it and let it go again. See? Stop, and it will take you directly through the door. You want to take control again? Just click. Click again, and I don't want to go and click on the arrow yet because I want to explore what's here on my right. Again, hold the mouse pad, just turn it to the right, drag it, and then you will see the donation and an icon, and it will explain. Like I mentioned before, you will have sometimes some links in the information boxes. These links have some call to actions. For example, here we explain that you can donate to support our mission of connecting people, ideas, and information. If you're interested in donating, then you just click on the link and it will take you to that website. Now we close it again, and now you're ready to keep going. You click on again, and these arrows are practically you walking through the library. So we give another step, and then again. Oh, I lost the arrow. Don't worry. Click on, go around, explore, go down, and then you will find it again. While you go all around, you will see more icons with more information, like the front desk. Maybe you want to go back to the entrance, or maybe you just want to see, what is this? Oh, we have a printer and a scanner station. Perfect. Let's keep going. And now I want to keep going on my tour. Let's keep walking. Click on. There you go. If for some reason you lose the arrow again, sometimes that space is done. You're done with the first space. So it would just suggest you to click on the next space. That next space is on the bottom right of your screen, and it says next space, main library area. You click on, and it will take you to the next photo tour. Click on the arrow, try again to find the arrow, go around and explore, and see, it's taking you through different areas of the library. Sometimes you will feel like I'm stuck. Where am I? You're not lost. It's okay. You're still exploring the different aisles of the library and spaces, and it's suggesting you to move to the Windows chair area. So now you're here. You keep going. Keep going. See, you can just feel free to explore. For example, you can see all the wonderful decorations that we have here, like a dragon. So cool. And then you just click on, keep walking. Okay, lost the arrow. You didn't lose it. That tour is over. That means you can go to the next space. Now, if you know where to go, you want to explore a specific area, you can go to the upper left side of your screen here, and you will find these dots, 9 dots. You click on there to expand it, and you will find the virtual spaces available. So, for example, we have the video audio space, fountain windows, meeting rooms, but honestly, I want to explore the children's hollow. Go, and I can see what's inside in there. Okay, and you go all around, and then you can just leave that space and try to find the arrow again so you can follow. You can follow, and it's suggesting you to go to the children's ramp. And you're like, okay, no, I don't want to go there. Or yes, let me see what's in here. So you can keep going and explore the children's area, or you can click again on those dots and say, well, now I want to explore the Canyon Theater. You step in, you click on the door, you keep walking through the arrows by clicking the arrows, you keep moving and going around to see what it's around, to keep finding information. Accessible spaces for people using a wheelchair, for example. You can find all this accessibility information, and then you feel ready to leave this space. See? Easy peasy, right? Okay. Well, if you have any questions, if you have any problems navigating, please reach out to us, Flores, Floresa, at boulderlibrary.org. I will be happy to help you. Thank you.